Hi, my name is Philbert Ip. I'm in the research lab of Dr. Avijit Chakrabartty at the University Health Network, and I work on ALS. Now, you've probably heard a lot about ALS in the last couple of weeks due to this Ice Bucket challenge, which is great and all. So instead of summarizing the disease, which you've probably heard before or can easily look up, I'm going to give you a quick glimpse into the state of ALS research today. This machine tells us about the shape of a protein. It's running on a 486 from the late 1980s, as well as DOS. We'd replace it, except these machines cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, which is money we'll just never have. Lately, one of the tubes burst, spraying water everywhere, which forced us to move these boxes over here in front of this machine. Now, this machine tells us a lot about a protein, including whether or not it's clumped up, like in the disease. It's actually running on Windows 98, which makes it one of the most powerful computers that we use in this lab. Unfortunately, however, the motor doesn't work. You can listen to this, which... oh, the mouse wasn't working. Okay. So as you can hear, this is a sick machine, and it makes it really hard to use when the motor doesn't work. So we'd replace it, except once again, funding is a little short these days. Finally, I wanted to show you our chart recording system here, which is hooked up to a machine that tells us about the size of molecules. As you can see, it uses an actual pen and ink that follows the signal and graphs it out. As you can see here, I tried to reuse my paper because they don't actually make this stuff anymore, and I'm not sure what we'll do when we finally run out. Those with ALS become paralyzed, so it becomes very difficult for them to be advocates. So really it's up to all of us to raise awareness for this deadly disease. I'll be donating to the ALS Society of Canada, and I hope you will be too. I nominate Monica Bond, Andy Pignataro, and Daniel Chung to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So, safety first, people. Ladies and gentlemen, for science.
You ready?
Here we go.